Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing the app and tools. Action now. Open Android Studio, confirm SDK 31+, then create or open the project. Next, set up a Firebase project and register your app. Download Google Services. JSON into app/. Once done, edit build. Gradle files to add the Google Services plugin and include the Firebase BOM plus Firebase messaging dependency. This wiring lets your app receive cloud messages. Make sure the package name matches Firebase so token issuance works correctly. Now implement the core messaging logic so notifications show. Create a Firebase messaging service, override on new token to send tokens to your server, and on message received to parse data or notification payloads. For Android 8.0 and up, create a notification channel once, set importance and description so users get visible alerts. Then build a pending intent to open your activity, assemble a notification compat. Builder with icon, title, body, and call notification manager. Notify using a unique ID. These steps finish by connecting your backend so you can send real push notifications. Use Firebase Admin SDK or HTTP v1 API to send messages, include the target token or topic, and set notification or data payload appropriately. Test on a physical device, watching a DB logcat for token and delivery logs, and verify the notification channel settings if nothing appears. If it fails, check Google Services. JSON placement, matching package name, API key permissions, and channel importance. These are common culprits that block delivery.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.